the Jazz Festival in New Orleans on weekend.
Oh, that's cool.
I got no money for.
We'll keep listening to the album and we'll. But you did have one snare?
Yeah. Snare below.
Huh?
French toast platter.
Hey, what's going on, Los Rios Rock School?
Hey.
What are you guys recording at Sunset Sound today?
So it's like the budget version of the 57.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
It's probably what they had available.
Wow. So, but what's interesting with the drums for Thomas is there's 3 overheads. But it's like, these microphones, like 57s and stuff like that, you can get Guitar Center does deals on them for like $79 once a year. I mean, they're probably only $100, you know, normal price anyway. So obviously you got beautiful console and old gear and all this kind of stuff, but it wasn't old in those days. It was Jeff as a house engineer. He's going to be engineering. And so give us a quick lowdown. Who is recorded in this room?
This originally started as a Disney room, so all those old Disney movies and
Dumbo?
Snow White. Dumbo might be before.
Okay.
This place was started in '58.
My favorite.
The Doors did all their albums here. Zeppelin did their album here. A couple things here.
2 and 4.
2 and 4.
They did a whole lot of love in this room.
Whole lot of love is this room. Stones have done a lot of stuff in this room.
Exile on Main Street.
Exile, everything after Paris or France.
Yeah.
Pearl, Janis Joplin is this room. Buffalo Springfield, For What It's Worth, is this room.
You know that song?
James Taylor, Fire and Rain is this room. Yeah, that's Jim Morrison's vocal booth. That's a pretty historic little room.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, and Janis Joplin did
Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes-Benz was recorded in that room. She sat in
Yeah.
there with the acoustic guitar and recorded it in that little booth there. So next time you hear, "Oh Lord, won't you buy me?" you can say
That's
what it
it.
is.
Yeah.
This is the main room. This is the premium room. This is one everyone wants to get into. And this is basically where my favourite living engineer, Joe Ciccarelli, he's produced as well, but I say engineer not in a light way because the producer's always the big name guy. But as Jeff knows and I know from making many records, engineers shape the sound. Producers, we're here, they're like, "Oh yeah, man, it was a great take, woo, yeah." But the engineers are the guys that really, really shape the sound.
It's the original notes for the...
They are the original notes. There's
Yes,
a
they are.
photocopy of it, but
Can
it's
I
the
look
original
at
notes.
them real quick?
Yeah, of course. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy that that's all it was. It was like, yeah, this is what we did. Just a quick, some notes. So we've also set up the slap for the vocals. Well, Jeff set it up, because he's smarter than me. So what that is there's a tape slap here. See this tape machine?
Yeah.
So it's actually we're going to print a tape slap on all the vocals.
That's so cool.
So when we record the guitars, we're going to have the same sound as Eddie. So when you do Eruption and everything, it's going to be... Oh, look, it's not that big.
Are we allowed to go in?
It's pretty crazy.
Whoa.
So it sounds massive.
It smells like my grandma's basement in Iowa.
So if you guys want to come in, maybe 1 or 2 of them around. Don't touch the mics and stuff because
They're all
That's really not me rhythm. You are?
Yeah.
Well, I'm just going to be all... It's going to be all...
Yeah.
That's easier.
That's better.
Pretty close. Okay. Same chamber.
So it's got rate
That's
depth
crazy how
and
insane that is, because it's in there. You can't set that, it just is that.
This is your harmonics. Can you get him to do that?
Sure. Do you want a slap back or are you gonna add that?
We have that.
It's probably going to be coming from more of a historical Sunset Sound meets kids capturing history, not letting it fade away.
Sure.
40th anniversary through Produce Like a Pro. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That, all the dumb guitar players are like sound checking and wasting
Dude,
time.
it's like,
What do you show me what you're
And I
doing?
get all-
What's going on?
I get all cross with filming.
Oh, look what you found. Oh, come on, you gotta make one.
Everything. You can build your own mix. So you can lean on yourself. A lot of people just have drums, get the rhythm going. Verb is going to be a blend of everyone, so it'll just be effects. So probably the singer is going to drown in that a lot. And then this guy will be overall volume. Any questions? There is a chance. These are old mixers that something might not be working. So if you are having a problem, do say something. Don't spend the whole day with not being happy in your headphones because no one wants that.
And you've got basic EQ as well. So you want more bottom end on your bass.
And you do have.
I'm gonna
Then you can put more bottom end.
And volume-wise too, so you don't have to blast it. Tell them what like comfort zones for headphones.
Well, the usual thing is because you guys are going to be next to a drum kit, so you're not going to need a lot of drums. So basically, just get enough volume to hear everything else over the drums and kind of a blend of that. And then if you happen to do an overdub where there are no drums in the room, you're probably going to have to push the drums back up.
Guitar players, I tend to favour sitting in the mix a little bit because you'll be more aggressive. If you're super loud, you'll be like da 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 da. If you're like, you'll be like da da. You'll dig in a little heavier, and it should be really straightforward.
So you just like you would turn you a certain way and the other one a different.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
So this is volume of everybody. Overall volume here. What's this one?
Well, this is actually your headphone volume.
So what does that control?
Just don't worry about this one and use this one.
William!
Do not break your hands or feet. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, good night, sir.
So long, farewell. Auf Wiedersehen.
Do you need a ride?
Uber's 1 minute away.
Okay.
Fine.
Thanks again.
See you later.
Bye.
Drive safe.